Okay guys, we are back and we had just shot a bird in the eyeball, in the head. He shot it in the head. You can see it right there. And this is Andrew's. He's right there. There's his gun. He might let me use it in the next video I make. And that will be bird hunting 2. This is bird hunting 1. And there's a lot of birds over here where we are. And here, we're making a new house. This is a bird we've shot. And we're going to just go throw it over there. And, ow, flies got me. And we are going to try to get another one up here. And Andrew has a pellet rifle, a diamond. Walking up a tree. And there's a bunch of birds up there, but we cannot find them. Well, we hear them. There are a lot of birds over there on that power post, but you can't see them. And we are going to walk up here. Now, I was going to bring mine, but I had to get some water and stuff. And they were too far ahead of me, so I just rode my bike. I couldn't take time to get my gun. And we are just walking, trying to see if we can find another one in a couple minutes. And there it is. There's a bird! Whoa! Look at all the birds down there! Oh. They're way down there, right? You got any more yet?
No.
Look, right there they are. Right there. See them flying in? There were one. Right there. Oh, you had to have hit that. And we're gonna go over here and get closer to it. Come on, Andrew. And if we get another one, we are going to try. We're gonna make a video. It'll be bird hunting 2. And then see y'all later. Bye.